Hello all and welcome to another episode of Trade of the Week. Okay, we was NFP week as we expect, first week of the month. So I wasn't expecting too much, but it actually turned out to be a pretty decent week. We had a lot of moves happening, surprisingly. And obviously when NFP hit, then yeah, we got very interesting moves that happened as well. So all in all, a very, very good week, unexpectedly, but a very good week. So with DXY, so I couldn't find the original of this chart markup that I did send out. But yeah, during the week, when was this? The second, I sent it to the team and said, yeah, we're still on course, like to actually make this high. And by the time NFP hits, maybe we'll be in this area and then come down. So as the week went on, as you can see, it got closer, okay, and then in and around this area, didn't quite reach that exact same area box that I like, but we made that move down, okay. And then yeah, from there we saw other moves happening like GU. Okay, GU made a nice move up. Okay, AUD USD, which I'll show you in a sec. But yeah, we see that. So this was the GU trade I caught. Okay, nice move through there. And then we had other setups for the week as well. So that was DXY. That's what we expected, and that's why we kind of traded those. Okay, other things I kind of expected. Okay, this one, AUD USD. So again, just tapped into here and then was targeting our nice sensitive numbers and then see if we could potentially buy from here again. Okay, as it played out, okay, we hit TP1. Okay, literally smack that. And then, yeah, I mean, AUD USD is not a pair I usually trade, but I just saw a nice setup on it. And I wonder what broker actually marked this up on. Okay, yeah, and this one. So as soon as it hit TP1 and I saw it stayed chilling here for some time, okay, I closed out my orders because I kind of expected something like this happened because of NFP. So I closed down my orders, and then as you can see, when NFP happened, we came back to entry. So I still have this area of interest in mind in regards to playing it next week, maybe, who knows? Okay, but now I'm starting to think maybe this might be bullish and we'll be heading back up into these areas to take out these highs in this area. So I'll be curious to see how this plays out once the market opens, but I do still have this area of interest in here. Okay, another sensitive level. Again, if you heard me say it before, then you already know why we're interested in this number. Okay, so I'm just seeing how the price would play in this area, but again, it's not a pair trade. So to say I'll watch it, I probably won't watch it, but I'll see how I'll see how it plays out. Okay, other things I was looking at. Okay, so I'm gonna close this now. Okay, close that as well. Okay, GJ. So I was looking at GJ in this area, and then yeah, how did it play out? As you probably already saw. Okay, just came into there, played around, tapped into it first time, dropped, and then came back into it again, and then boom, started dropping. So interesting. This is again happening around NFP, and I was like, interesting. I would have expected kind of the GBP pairs to be kind of correlating with each other, but they all done different things. Okay, GBP AUD, USD, GJ, they all done their own thing. Again, we know they correlate to a certain extent, but not fully. So again, you can't just say I'm buying GJ because I'm buying GU. It doesn't work like that. Yes, you might have a bias for GBP pairs to go up, but you can't say because this one is happening like GJ, then this one's definitely going to happen like that as well. So you have to just do your analysis and then say, cool, what makes more sense right now? Okay, and then in some situation, you might end up doing both. Okay, buying one and selling the other. Okay, you just have to understand the fundamental aspects behind that as well. So pretty good week. Didn't expect it to be as volatile as it was. Okay, and then this pair, as you can see, Euro ends a D. Okay, looking at this area to sell here, I was looking at this on a daily. I was thinking, do you know what will make a lot of sense if we can actually come take out this internal low, come into here, trigger it again, very sensitive number, and then we head into another sensitive number. Surprise, surprise. Take out these highs for your IPA and come to our candle. So long term, this makes a lot of sense for me. So I started selling this. Okay, I started selling this on Friday. Euro ends a D, and it's playing out pretty nicely so far. Okay, actually let's hit look in the daily so you could do the comparison. Okay, it's playing out pretty nicely so far. So where's that print screen? Is it this? No, I'm gonna close this now. Okay, so you can see, started looking at it in and around here on Friday, and then I was saying, yeah, I mean, this would make a lot more sense to me. So I started looking at that, sold it, and then you can see where it is now. So I've done about 110, 120 pips just before market closed. Okay, so looking at it in here, so I missed all of this. Okay, and this is where I got in. Okay, just here. Let's get this arrow. Okay, got in just here. I'm not sure how my stop loss didn't get triggered, to be honest. Okay, because I put it just about this area here. I said that should be safe enough. Okay, because we shouldn't really come above here. So we came into this and I was like, yeah, I'll put my stop just above here. We should be safe. And then literally came into here. And I'm not sure how I did not get triggered out, but I'm not complaining. So I'll take it. I'll take it for sure. So we've done, what was it? Just under 90 pips so far. Okay, just under 90 pips. So I definitely ain't complaining about that. And then as you guys saw on the daily, we could go a whole long way down. So I think when I measured it, it was about 300 pips or so. So from where I got in, just about 150, so in around here. Okay, done that already. So yeah, about 300 to 400 pips. And then when you look at Euro AED, okay, I'm thinking, can we do the same as well? Okay, engulfed on Friday. So I'm just thinking, yeah, coming into next week, can we come back into here about 50% of this candle, which we do have a setup for on a H1. So I'm looking at that thinking, yeah, if we could come back into the area, that would be quite sweet. Come back into there, and then we fall down. I think I might have to look at this on 4 hour. Okay, to clear things up. Okay, yeah, 4 hours quite sweet. So again, we already know why that's there. Quite clean. So when we're looking at this, okay, we've done that thing that we always do, this area. Okay, why is it not clicking? Okay, there you go. I don't know if Trading Views is acting weird or something. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure if Trading Views got something wrong with it, but it's not letting me click. Anyway, so we see I want it to come back into here, and then we come to again sensitive number. Okay, about 150 pips, and then we double it. If you're twin trading, 300 pips, again sensitive number. True target, I do want this area in here, again sensitive number, to see if we could buy up. So those were it was a very interesting week all around, one I didn't expect, but it was very active, very active. So as now we've got NFP out the way and we just expect other fundamental aspects, I'm just very much looking forward to the new week starting. So I do hope you have a great week, have a profitable one, keep learning, keep educating yourself. And again, if you do need any help or any questions answered, you already know where to find the links. Just look down below the video and then you can know exactly where to find me. So until next time, take care.